Okay, now I'm going to talk about the second brightest star is called the Rigel. Which part of it is the Rigel? Let me show you. The Rigel is this part. Forget about this, okay? This is the part of the Rigel. It's a star, yes it is. It's a blue giant star. It's kind of like a leg of Orion. This Rigel is a little bit younger than the Betelgeuse, and is called the blue giant, of course. It's about 8 million years old younger. And Rigel is approximately 860 light years away from our Earth. Yeah. Now, Rigel is kind of like a giant, a blue giant, so one day it will end up with a supernova, kind of like Betelgeuse. So yeah, the bigger the star is, it's not gonna live long. So let's move on. These stars, I'm just going to talk about how it is, where it is, about it, and a little bit how far away it is from our Earth. I'm not going to talk about much because these stars are just the stars. Now I'm going to show you Bellatrix. Bellatrix. Yep. Bellatrix is this here. Here, Bellatrix. Bellatrix. It's approximately, this is the arm of you see, this is the arm of the Orion. Yeah. Bellatrix is approximately 250 light years away from our Earth. A little bit more nearer than the Rigel star. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna show you, this is kind of, the Bellatrix is kind of like this star. The Bellatrix, see? This star is not one star though, it's a few stars going together. Here is the Mesa. The Mesa. See? The Mesa star isn't just a star. It's a triplet star, meaning that the stars are orbiting together. But there are only two real stars, and the other star is a brown dwarf star. This is a star. It means this star is not have enough nuclear. It didn't have enough nuclear, and it's in between of a planet and in the between of a giant gas planet, just like Jupiter, and a star, kind of like our sun. It's in between, yeah. It's stuck in between. It's also a little bit bright. It is bright, but it's also gas. It's not exactly like a bright star. Okay. Now let's go to the three belt of Orion. Yeah. This is the three belt of Orion. See. Three belt. Then Anatoc, the Allium, and the Minotac. The Mintaka. Mintaka, yeah, Mintaka, Alitoc, Alilum, and Mintaka. It's a little bit weird. Okay. Let's start with the Alitoc. The Alitoc is 1,000 light years away from our Earth. A little bit further than the other stars. The Alilum is a blue giant star. It is a blue giant star. So it's about 2,000 light years away. The last one is the furthest star. It's 12,000 or so light years away from Earth. This is called the Minotaur. The Mintaka. Mintaka. Always is the Minotaur. Okay? The Mintaka. These are stars of the Orion. But now I'm going to show you a nebula of Orion. of Orion belt, you can see 3 of these stars. But these, well, there are 2 stars actually. They don't have a name. Well, they do have a name, but I'm just going to talk about one. I'm going to talk about the middle of the star, called the Messier 42 or the M42. Like kind of like messy. Here, this is not a star. It may look like a star, but I'm going to show you closely. Looking closely, you can see this star is a little bit fuzzier. You see, so one star a dot, but this star is fuzzy. A little bit fuzzy from the other, because this is not a star. This is an Orion Nebula, also called a Great Nebula though. Here's the Orion Nebula. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Orion Nebula is, yes, it is a nebula. And what is a nebula? A nebula is approximately like something like a dust, a cloud on the space. It happened when a supernova exploded. A star exploded called a supernova. Some particle of the star still remain, so it formed together, making a nebula. This is just a gas clouds Orion thing. Also called like a star nursery, because in this nebula, it creates new small baby stars. So you can see in here, you can see some little dots of stars, and these are stars that have been born in the nebula. It's called the star nursery for one reason though. Here's another picture. Wow, beautiful, right? Isn't it beautiful? It's really pretty. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, and you may thinking, if you can see a star or an Orion, a star, a constellation, have you ever think that out there is a planet that is looking at us? We can see them, but can they see us? Well, we don't really know that actually. We don't really know that aliens out there can see us, but I think so, because we're not the only one in this universe, in the whole big universe. At least there are a few, some of them, aliens out there, right? They must see us, and they are. Well, this is a planet near the constellation of Orion, exactly. It has a constellation, a picture. I have a picture here called the HD 38858. I know it's a little bit weird. This is the planet. This is a planet. It's kind of like our Earth, but it's not literally. Ooh, okay. This planet is orbiting around a star, whatever the star calls. Here. This is a planet, and this star is orbiting. I don't know what the star called, but let's just say it is a planet. For example, we have a Kepler 186f. A Kepler, this is not the planet we are talking. It's kind of like our Earth. It's permanently at the sunshine zones, mean that it could have sunlight, have everything it needed, not too hot, not too cold. And the perfect environment. But the most sad thing is the HD 3888, the 38858 is actually a gas planet. Means that it's made of gas exactly like Jupiter. So I don't think that they can land on it, but who knows, maybe some of them live on air. Let's just say that we could have a little bit hope about that. So this is the end of the video. So now you know a few stars of the Orion and the Orion Nebula. Well, not exactly all of them. I haven't talked about one though. I haven't talked about one nebula. This is called the Horsehead Nebula. And where's the Horsehead Nebula? Here's a look like a Horsehead Nebula. A Horsehead Nebula is near the Betelgeuse, I guess? Yeah, it's kind of near the Betelgeuse. Let me see, I have any picture of it. Okay, I didn't have any pictures of the Horsehead Nebula, but it's there. Well, I hope it's there. I can't find it anywhere. Meh. Let's just say, yeah. Here's the Horsehead Nebula. It's also in the Orion Nebula. It's next to the Betelgeuse star. I don't have any picture now, but let's just say that go back to the Betelgeuse stars and it's kind of in there. This is a Horsehead Nebula. It's really pretty. It's one of the most 10 pretty nebula in the universe. So yeah, now this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Now you know a few amazing facts about the Orion constellation. There are many constellations out there that we haven't discovered yet. There are over a few 1,800, I think, maybe. Or maybe 1,800. I don't literally remember, but there are a lot of constellations. We don't even remember the whole name of it. So yeah, it's the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Please like it, and a good day. Bye.